All right. So, real treat. Gotta put its first miles on this Primavera S150. Now that's a small frame Vespa. The 50s and the 150s look the same. I don't know if I've ridden an S150 Primavera yet. I've ridden a Sprint S150, and I love it, and I'm looking forward to talking about how this one does. But Primavera really just has rounded headlights. That's going to be the biggest thing, is an analog dash. Analog, that was the line I was looking for in a different video earlier today. I don't know if I posted that one already. If I did, you can go back and comment on it and say, wow, you were looking for the word analog. You don't understand the reference I'm making yet. Or you do. Anyway, starts right up. Nice. Vespas are automatic, which is just lovely. Easily maneuverable. And off we go. Dogs being walked there. Bit windy here in the city of Chicago today. Neighborhood of Pilsen. Stopped on a dime. Ready to fly. About to hit 18th Street. Got a little speed, but we got some construction, so we need to watch out. Brakes feel good. Easy does it. Easy doing. That's the thing about the Vespa. It's just a really just kick on, jump on, twist throttle, go. It's simple. It's easy. It's fun. It's lightweight, so as I find myself turning on to Damon, I'm not struggling to keep it up. It's a really beautiful day. Have you had the chance to get out and ride yet this season? It's really begun. Lord knows, tomorrow it might be like 30 degrees and snowing, but for right now, I've got my blinker on. Can't expect them to see me. As this Honda turns, I'll take my turn. Here we go. First time I'm getting a clear shot into this tunnel today. Saw that. I got to 55 pretty easily. The wind was against me, but you can get up. I gained on that car pretty quickly. Guy playing fetch with his dog in the park. You love to see it. That was a quick stop. Did I leave any skid marks? Just wanted to show you how a quick stop looks. We'll do it one more time right before the bridge. try to not be the problem on the road. But it may be too late. I may already be it. The city just becomes a lot more unlockable on a Vespa. Again, it's ease of use. You know, does it stop as quickly as like, you know, a new motorcycle? Maybe not so much. You know, those are double disc brakes, but it stops enough for its power. I haven't found myself in trouble yet on one. We are back on 18th, coming the other way. The light is green, but we are probably gonna get stuck there. Oh wait, nope, we're on a Vespa. We'll be just fine. It's a model train shop. I wanna go check that out. I feel like I finally reached that age where I just wanna start making dioramas of things. But I don't wanna get into model trains. I wanna make kaiju scenes. Why? I don't know. I'm bored. What else is there to do? It's been winter. Once the sun's out, we'll go ride motorcycles, go ride some Vespas. I'm on a Vespa Primavera S150 right now, loving it. It's great. It's a good time. Nice stop. Whee! It's a lovely day in the park. Park, park. Park, park, park. So I've got $1 million idea, guys. Hear me out. I'm gonna start a 90s cover band. But everybody in that cover band is gonna wear giant chicken costumes. And that cover band is gonna be a cover band of Counting Crows. The band's name is gonna be Counting Crows as Chickens. Mr. Chicken. This is why I don't have a lot of friends. You can tell. But if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching. I'm on a Primavera S150. Having a good old time. She's handling well. It's a little windy. I don't know what the audio situation is going to be at the end. Really first time using 32K bit float. 32-bit float. Wee, like Anne Margaret. It is a lovely day on a Vespa. Ford Ranger, baby. That guy looks like he's having a good time. I'm having a good time. I'm on a Primavera S150. Yeehaw, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Jones.